Hello guys, welcome to Malin Institute Grammar-3 and this is After Malam. So in the last video we talked about subject pronoun and as well as what is a subject. In this video we're going to talk about object pronoun and as well as what is object. But before we talk about that, we're going to go for a very short or maybe simple note. Yes guys, the note is about it. So what does it discuss? It discusses where do we use the word it. So we've got 5 following ways and we're gonna work on each and every single one of that. The first one is for things. We use it for things. If I want to talk about a laptop, so I use the subject it. If I want to talk about a smartphone, I use the subject it. If I want to talk about a chair, if I want to talk about a bed, if I want to talk about like a bag, I'm gonna use the word it. For example, it's a chair. It is a chair. It is a chair. Or if I want to talk about a laptop, it is a laptop. It is a laptop. It is a water bottle. It is a bottle of water. It is a smartphone. So that was about things. The next one is for animals. If I want to talk about a bird, if I want to talk about a dog, if I want to talk about a crocodile, if I want to talk about a lion, a tiger, I'm going to use the subject it. For example, it is a dog, or it's a tiger, or it is a parrot, or it is a puppy. So that was about animals. The next way that we use it is for the people in the photos. If I want to talk about someone who is in photo, so I'm gonna use the subject it. For example, it is John. It is John. But who's John? It is John in the photo. Or I wanna talk about Mark who's in the photo, so I'm gonna say it is Mark in the photo. The next way to use it is for weather. For weather. If I want to talk about weather, that is it cloudy, is it sunny, is it rainy, is it foggy, so I'm gonna use the subject it. For example, it is cloudy day. It is cloudy day. Or it is foggy today. Or it is foggy today. Or it was rainy yesterday. It was rainy yesterday. And the last and important way or usage is for time. If I want to talk about time, so I'm going to use the subject it. So it is 3 a.m. now. It is 3 a.m. now. Or let me check the time now. It is 6 p.m. now. It is 6 p.m. now. Or any other time. So that was about 5 usages of it. Now let's go on our main topic, which is object pronoun. Yes guys, object pronouns. So before we go for anything else, we're gonna know about the definition. Object pronouns are those which are used instead of object in a sentence. So there might be a question in your mind. What is an object? Here's the definition. Object is the receiver of an action. Subject is the doer of an action. It means he does the action, and who received the action, that is object. If I'm gonna give an example. If the teacher punish a student, who does the action? The teacher punish him. Who receive? The student. I'm gonna say that the teacher punished him. Who is him? Him might be Mark, John, or anyone else. But the main point is that he receives the action. So I say the teacher punished him. Now guys, let's go and see that what our object pronouns consist in. There are 7 object pronouns. Number first one is me, that is usually for I. You, which is you. Him, which the subject for this one is third person singular he. This is her, third person singular female, which is she. It is it, us instead of we, and them instead of they. So these are all about 7 object pronouns. Let's go for the examples. He slapped him. He slapped him. The subject or the doer of an action, he, the action or the verb, slap, and the receiver of the action or object, him. The next one. They called him yesterday. You behaved them badly. So, in this example, the subject is they, or the doer of an action, the action or the verb called, the receiver or object, him, and yesterday the complement or maybe adverb of time. You behaved them badly. You, the subject, behave, the verb, them, the object and the main point, in badly, an adverb. So that was all about object pronoun and what is object and as well as it. If you think you've learned something from the video, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel down below, and for more and updated videos, do not forget to turn the notifications on. Thank you guys.